Hello everyone, I am Asuma, BSc Zoology student, Surfside College. Today I am going to take a seminar on the topic Order Dipnoi. Order Dipnoi comes under the class Pisces. Dipnoids are the bony fishes, popularly known as lungfishes by virtue of their lung-breathing adaptations. They are believed to have diverged as a side branch from osteolipids. Early dipnoids resemble osteolipids in having heavy scales, heterocircle tail, lobed fins, and well-ossified skull. However, modern lungfishes have changed a lot from their ancestors. Lungfishes were abundant during the Devonian and the subsequent periods, and they enjoyed extensive distribution in several parts of the world, such as North America, Europe, and the Indian Peninsula. At present, the group is represented by three degenerate and specialized freshwater genera, namely Ceratodus of Australia, Protopterus of Africa, and Lepidosiren of South America. Next, we have to look their salient features. They have diphyscircle or diphyrocircle tail, cycloid scales, internal nostrils, short jaws lacking some bones, modified crushing dental plates, poorly ossified cranium, having a spiral valve in the intestine, and lastly, one or two lungs. The surviving present-day dipnoids enjoy what is called discontinuous distribution because they distributed in widely separated and geographically unconnected or discontinuous region of the globe, namely Africa, Australia, and South America. Their discontinuous distribution indicates that in the remote geological past, these continents might have been the neighboring parts of the continuous landmass. Then, due to plate tectonics and continental drift, they moved apart. Lungfishes have been able to outlive all their relatives by finding ideal ecological niche which favored most of their special needs. This is a typical example of an interesting phenomena, namely survival of the last relic of an ancient group. Now moving to the examples. Firstly, Protopterus. Protopterus is an African lungfish, a native of Africa. There are 5 species which inhabits the marshes and swampy areas. Protopterus grows up to about 2 meters. Body is eel-like with slender and tapering paired fins. Caudal fin as diphyrocircle. 4 pair of gill slit present covered by opercula. Legs are paired. During extreme dry season, Protopterus undergo aestivation. During breeding season, female will deposit egg in the nest and the development is indirect. Next is Lepidosiren. Lepidosiren is a South American lungfish which closely resemble Protopterus in appearance and habits. There is only a single species, namely Lepidosiren paradoxica. Their body is eel-like. Scales are small and deeply buried in the skin. Fins are reduced to short style. Tail is diphyrocircle. They have 4 pair of gill slits covered by opercula and their lungs are paired. During rainy season, female deposit egg in L-shaped excavation. Male discharges sperms over them for fertilization. He remains inside the burrow until egg hatch out into tadpole-like larvae. During this, his fins develop richly vascular plumose filaments. Their lashing movements aerate the larvae. They also serve as accessory respiratory organs. Each larva has 4 pairs of external gills. The larval life lasts for nearly 2 weeks. Then the larva transforms to an adult. Now moving to the last example, Neoceratodus. Neoceratodus is the Australian lungfish which is believed to be a direct descendant of ancient lungfish. There is only a single species, namely Neoceratodus forsteri. It lives in shallow pools or water holes and comes to the surface only for breathing air. Since it is a sluggish foot fish, it is an easy victim of man. The body of Neoceratodus is fusiform and covered with small scale. Caudal fin is diphyrocircles. Gills are covered by opercula. During dry season, when the water bodies become polluted, Neoceratodus periodically comes to the surface and gulps air. In extreme condition of drought, it digs deep into the mud, undergoes aeration, and tides over the difficult period. The development is direct without larval stage. Thank you.